welcome back to Creasonomics with your host, Mr. Gray. I just want to thank you for tuning in on this fine day to just let me give you a brief, maybe brief if I don't rant, review of the Jordan 1 Black and Golds. Yes, they are beautiful, although I have seen very mixed reviews, which I found very interesting because when I saw these earlier in the year that they were going to release, I was like, oh my god, these are beautiful. I love the black soles. I said, these are going to sell out. And people are going to just come from miles and miles around to just lock these down. Well, yes, they're going to sell out, but I mean, I've seen a lot of negativity. I mean, and when I say negativity, I mean not everybody hates them. Of course, the resellers always love them, but it seems like it's almost like when you read in the different Instagram pages, it's almost like 65-35 or 70-30, 70-30, like 70% love it, die hard, and then 30% like these are trash. And, a lot of people don't like the soles that the soles are black and not white. I'm like, I thought they're beautiful. I still do think they're beautiful. So once again, I can ramble, so I'm gonna slow down now, and I'm just gonna go ahead and pull out the shoe of the day. So as we know, the Jordan 1 Black and Gold has released today. I don't have like the older version of it, which really I think that was a mid anyway. But no. Oh, sorry. There's so many different versions. Either way, we'll just stick to this. I know this has nothing to do with that, but when I see the black and gold today, it reminds me of the gold toes, which actually I saw somebody wearing the top threes today, which I thought was pretty awesome. Either way, I do want to thank Finish Line for coming through and helping me win a raffle. I've never won a raffle with Finish Line before, so I feel extremely special. Thank you guys. It's just an honor to receive the award of winning a raffle through you guys, because you guys normally just dump on me and give me a bunch of L's. I'm like an L holding master. Anyway, without further ado, what I'm going to consider a sexy shoe. See, I got my gold and I got my black on. I mean, check it out. She is sweet. And I was going to put her in the light box, but you know what? I feel like this right here is a good enough view. She's nice and shiny. Now, I know not everybody is a true lover of patent leather. I don't really rock my patent leather shoes like that because the creases are horrific. Like, you got my gold toes like I just told you about. If you look right in there, boops, you can see those creases. And it looks... It's not like when you crease a regular Jordan 1. When you crease a regular Jordan 1, as far as I'm concerned, you just added value. You just made it more unique, But when you crease patent leather, it's just not the same. It doesn't have patent leather is supposed to be smooth. So when it's creased, it just doesn't look as good as it did. Regardless, it's still a fly shoe. I love the fact that it's got those old gold laces. That is a pretty sexy touch. Those are the additional laces. The original laces are, as you can see right here, are black. It's all in all, I mean, I really don't know what you people are complaining about. No, it's not a white sole, but I mean, and so what? It's a different shoe. I promise you 2 years from now, these are going to probably be selling at $300, at least $300 at a 10.5. And you guys are going to be like, oh man, I wish I didn't sleep. So if you still have the opportunity to get this, I'm just going to go ahead and say, don't sleep. I mean, I like them. They are sexy. I mean, you could wear this with a suit. I mean, just get them. I mean, look at that. Look at that right there. You can see the stitching, the gold stitching through the sole. It don't get any sexier than that, if you ask me. I mean, this one, white sole. We're used to white soles, guys. Come on, you should want to see some change. Anyway, I digress. I'm not gonna argue with you guys. I'm just gonna tell you how I feel. These are a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful cop. If you got them, you have a marvelous shoe. A very smooth shoe. So I'm just one last time before I sign out, because you are now looking at the sexiest shoe. No, I can't sing, but I will sing. Look at that, look at that, look at that, look at that, look at that. Ooh. Alright. Anyway, so what else is coming out this week? I'm keeping up, but I'm not keeping up. So of course today The other thing that came out is the, what is it? The black Yeezy 500, what, utility or utility rat or whatever the heck they call them. I did get one, but I did not get one in person, so I won't see those for a while, and I won't do a review on them because they came out in 2018, and there's no point in talking about them right now because everybody already knows about them. This weekend, a very important release, of course, is the Yeezy, what is it, the Yeezy 350 V2 breads. So those, even though it's rumored there's going to be 500,000 plus of them dropping, but that's worldwide. Yes, they will absolutely sell out. Yes, they are worth the cop. And we'll probably still have a hard time getting them with 500,000 plus in circulation because it just seems to be that way sometimes. Either way, we will try. I know there's another important release coming out this week, and for some reason I'm not thinking about it. Oh, I know what it is. It's and I do not know the name of it. I did not try to learn it. There's some dunks that are suede on the outside and they are leather on the inside, and the outside is pink and the inside is green. Almost kind of like that picture that was going around, I guess, a year ago where the woman had a dress, or there was a dress hanging up that was pink. What is it? Pink and green, and everybody saw different colors. Either way, that's what this shoe looks like, but the shoe looks like the colors I just gave you. I don't know if it looks other than to other people. Nobody said anything to me. Either way, I didn't give you good information on that. I just know it's coming out this week. The most important drops this week, as far as I'm concerned, are going to be the box logos on Thursday and the breads on Saturday. So that's what I'm going to be keeping my ears tuned to, and I'm going to be trying to grab those. Either way, guys, I just want to thank you for tuning in. Once again, show some love. Look, lastly, y'all people stop disrespecting this shoe. You 30%, you 35% who didn't like it, stop disrespecting her because she's beautiful, and you're gonna wish you had her a couple years from now. Heck, I don't have my phone because I'm using it. Either way, Jordan 1, black and gold, get it, don't sleep. It's the gray out.